Okay, welcome back. So if you are coming from the very previous video, that is a link over there. We clipped our road in the study district, which is this one, added a field and calculated for the distances of the road. Before we did that, we clipped the road, we dissolved the road, converted it to line, and added a field and calculated for the distances. Do you get it? Now, I said in this video, we are going to continue. So if you haven't watched the previous one, you won't understand this. So I said we are going to continue in this video and do a selection of the rows, where you have to do the selection of all the rows according to the road condition. Do you get it? Now I know the road condition. I know that this particular road, these two rows are second class roads. So when I come here, I know that this and the one that is passing here are second class road, and I know the first class road runs through here up to here, and I know this and this are third class road. So I'm going to do the selection based on this particular one. Do you get it? So you need to know the condition of the road as well. You need to know the conditions of the road within the district that you are working with. So now I know the condition of the road. This is it. I have a map to support it. So I'll come here. To do that, let's go there. You right click, then you add a field, then you write speed, then you choose double. Do you get it? Now we are not going to do the calculation like we did. This is what we are going to do. You come here, then you start edit. Now I'm going to start selecting the first class road. Now see here, you zoom in. Now you know that this particular one is a first class road coming to this side. Do you get it? Yes, you know that that is the first class road. Now let me drag the communities so that the communities will guide me. So if I drag the communities and label the features, so I know that from here up to Apemso is a first class road, so that will guide me, right? So this is Apemso. Apemso is here. So I'm going to do the selection. Let's look at it again. From there up to Apemso is a first class road. So I'll just go there. You start edit. You select it. Now to do the selection, hold the shift key. Then you select this particular to edit to. Whilst your hand is on the shift key, then you are doing the selection. Select one, select this one too. The boundary is distracting me, so I'll uncheck it. Okay. Make sure your hand is on the shift key, else the moment you release it, you have to restart. So now, reselect this, shift key, do the selection. Pick the hand to move. So we are going. So this is where we've reached. Here, if you just is here, so we are coming here. So this is it. Your hand is on a shift. Don't release it to shift. Then I'm now reselected. Let's go. So now we've reached Apemso, and according to the map we are using, that is where the first class road reaches. So now this is what you are going to do. After you selected it, you come to the road, you right click on it, the road layer, you go to attribute table, then you come here, you see show selected records. So these are the selected rows. Do you get it? Now let's do this. You go back to your data, the data you are using. In the previous videos I said this is the data I am using, this is my source, and the first class road is 65 kilometers per hour. Do you get it? And we have the waiting time 25. I don't want to talk about the waiting time, but with the waiting time, if you are adding it and doing calculation, or you are fixing it into it, it means if it is 65 kilometers, then maybe it might reduce to 60 kilometers, because if the speed is 65, traffic will be on the road, and with that one it might delay you a bit. But let us not talk about the waiting time for now. But what I am trying to say is that there will be some time where you will have to factor in the waiting time, because the fact that the standard speed is 65 doesn't mean that is it. The waiting time might worry you, might reduce the time or increase it to, let's say, 50 kilometers. Do you get it? But now let us use the 65 kilometers per hour. So now this is the standard. So you come here, these are the selected record. You select it, you right click, then you go to field calculator. Speed is equal to, then you write 65. Okay, now it has been inputted in all the selected area, the selected fields. Have you seen that? So that is it. These are the selected record, and we've assigned the 65 to each of the road we've selected. Now, to prevent any confusion when it comes to selection of the other ones, you can come here, you right click, then you go to selection, create layer from selected feature, then you change that one color. So do you get it? Then you go back and unselect them. Have you seen that? So now we are done with the first class road. Let us go to the second class road. So to select the second class road, according to the map we are using, these two rows over here are second class road. So we are going to select them. But then when you are done selecting one particular type of road and you are going to select the second one, just stop editing, save, stop editing, and start editing again. If you do it right away, all the rows might not be selected. Do you get it? So stop editing and restart editing. When you are done, you zoom in. Now let us select the two rows over there. So this is the first one. Shift key, select. Let's go. So now we are done selecting these two. Let us come here from Apemso to Senchi all the way to Krofrom. So let's go. Your hand is on the shift key. Then you select. Let's go. So now we are done selecting the second class road too. So you go back to the road layer, right click, open attribute table. Then you select the selected field. This is it. Now according to the document we are using, the second class road, which is the feeder road, is 50 kilometers. So we are choosing the first one, so 50 kilometers. Do you get it? Okay. So you just come here, speed, field calculator. So this is just for learning sake. Do you get it? Just to know the concept. So I've chosen the 50. Now you've inserted that one too. So now again you come here, you right click, selection, create layer from selected feature. Change the color of that one too. Now you go back and I'll select this one too. You see, now we are left with a third class road. So these are the third class roads, these ones all the way to here. Yes, so we are coming to select them. So to do the selection, like I said, you save edit, stop edit, and restart edit. Let's do the selection. So from here up to the down here is a third class road, right? So you zoom in, then you do the selection. It is coming from this one. Yeah, so I think we are done selecting the third class road. No, I forgot this one. Always make sure your hand is on the shift key before you are done doing all the selection. So now that I am done, I'll go back to the road, right click, open attribute table, selection. So now, according to the document we are using, this one is 20 kilometers. That is the third class. Do you get it? That is the bad one. So you just come here, select the speed again. Don't forget we came here, so we selected the show selected records. So you select it, you right click, field calculator, speed is equal to 20 kilometers, or you write 20 over there, then you just choose okay. Do you get it? Yeah. So when you are done, oh, what is this? The map is misbehaving, but we've already done it. So let us do this. We just come here, create layer from selected feature. Then you choose this and maybe choose this for that one. Do you get it? Then we'll go here and reselect this one. Then we will save edit and stop edit. Yeah. So now that we are done, this is it. Now it is left with these type of rows. You see, this type of rows, these ones, and the assumption is that, you see, this is within the community. So these are not main rows, and these are probably rows that are used by forts. So people will definitely walk from here, get to the main road, take a vehicle. Do you get it? So these are definitely roads that are used by the foot, and with that one, according to the standard we are using, it is 4 kilometers. Do you get it? So after you are done selecting the main roads, then the remaining one, you assume that they are the roads that are used by foot. Do you get it? And let me say this, one way you can know the main roads is the main Ghana shapefiles. You see, you have Ghana shapefiles and feeder roads. So if you drag the feeder road or the Ghana shapefiles, you'll be able to know the main roads within your district. Do you get it? So after you are done selecting the first class, second class, and the third class roads, the assumption is that the remaining ones, these small ones, are roads that are used by the foot. So we are not going to select all of them one after the other. This is the trick. So you come to the road, open attribute table, then you come to the speed, then you descend it, right click, descending order. So the first one is this one. Then you scroll down. You see, this is the last one, the 20 kilometers. So this is the last one, right? I shouldn't have selected here, so let me remove that one. Now let us go. So you come here, this is the first road that is not selected, that has not been assigned with speed. You select that one, then you scroll down all the way to the bottom with your hand on the shift key, then you select that one too. Now you've selected all the small roads. How using that, you've selected all of them. I think this one should have been part of the third class road, but like I said, this is for learning sake, so let us move on. So now that they've been selected, you come here, show selected records. According to the standard we are using, it is 4 kilometers. So you assign 4 kilometers to them. I'm using that. Yeah. So that is it. At this stage, this is what we've done. We've calculated we've calculated for our distance. We've assigned the standard speed to the classes of roads within the district. Now it is left for us to calculate for the time. Do you get it? So it is left for us to calculate for the time and also to actually do the network analysis, which is the accessibility map. And we are going to do that in the next video. Yes, so see you in the next video. Bye bye.